Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Priyanka and we're watching my channel Hangout with Priyanka. Today I'll prepare one very good delicious veg starter named stuffed baked capsicum, and I'll be baking the same without oven. That's correct. I'll be baking the same in normal gas oven, and I'll show you how easy to bake that. So let's begin the recipe. So let's make the stuffing first. Put some oil into a pan. Once it heats up, let's fry the onions. I have taken 2 medium-sized onions that has finely chopped. Cook till it becomes translucent or soft. Now I am adding chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies. A quick saute. Once the raw flavor goes off, then I'll be adding the finely chopped tomatoes. Cook the tomatoes till it becomes soft. Now season the same with definitely starting it off with salt as per your taste, followed by chaat masala powder, jeera powder or cumin powder and coriander powder. Now give it a very good mix and let's cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am adding the most important ingredient, that is paneer. I have taken 200 grams of paneer that I have crushed. Cook the paneer. It won't take much time to get the prepare completely. And now you may put some red chili powder as per your taste. I have put 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. A quick saute. And just before turning off the flame, just add some fresh chopped coriander leaves. Just give it a very good mix. Our stuffings is almost done and ready. You may turn off the flame. Let's prepare the capsicum meanwhile. I have taken 4 capsicums, or 4 to 5 you can take. Just cutting the top of it as a cap, and now I am removing the white seeds because I'll be making the pockets so that stuffings can be done. Fine, and it is not sitting properly, you may see. So now what can I do? I'm just cutting the bottom part a bit so that it may stand properly. Perfect. Now let's prepare the rest of the capsicums in similar way. Cutting the cap, removing the seeds and creating the pockets. Fine, capsicums are ready, and this is my baking mold. Over here I'll be baking those capsicums, so I'm brushing with some oil. Now taking 1 capsicum and fill the pockets with the stuffings that we have already made. I have filled 3/4 of the pockets like this, and as we are baking it, so I am brushing some oil on the surfaces of the capsicum and putting the same into the mold. Again similar way, just fill rest of the capsicum pockets. And remember one thing, we have to make the capsicum bake within 60 to 70%. You need not to bake the capsicum for 100%. Okay, so now I am using the mozzarella grated cheese as toppings. So once it will be baked, the cheese will taste awesome. I'm brushing the oils on the cap of the capsicums as well. Now let's preheat 1 pressure cooker or cookware, whatever that is available to your home, and prepare it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now place the mold inside And one last ingredient to be added, that is chili flakes. And just remember one thing, once you cover the pressure cooker, just remove the gasket or the vessel. So for baking the capsicum, at least we have 15 to 20 minutes time in hand. So meanwhile, just have some important discussion. Thank you to you if you have already subscribed to my channel, and if you are a new viewer to my channel, I am requesting you to please do subscribe to my channel. You will find the subscribe option in the below in the screen, and do not forget to hit that bell icon. Otherwise you won't get any kind of notification or video that I'll be uploading in future. So friends, 20 minutes over, let's check the capsicum. Wow, it has baked properly. You can see from all over these sides it has been baked properly. As I have already mentioned that I'm gonna bake the same at least 70 to 80%. A top view, cheesy inside, garnish like this. So friends, please motivate me by liking my video, share with your friends and family, and positively do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Your comments and suggestions are always required. So below in the comment section, you please do suggest and put your comments. And if you want to see any other kind of recipes from me, do not forget to mention that also. I'll be coming up soon with such few more interesting recipe. Till then, Priyanka signing off. Bye. So do not forget to do that. Okay, that I request to like a hit button, hit a like button. Do like the hit button. Abar bol. Hit me by liking the hit